Hey guys, so just a quick little blog. So as you guys know, we've been sending our demo reel out to a lot of different companies like not Time Warner, but Warner Media, Apple Music, Apple TV, New York Times, Bloomberg, all the media companies here. I mean, I probably sent out about 60 of my demos to the biggest companies you can think of, and then all the small little guys. The thing is, out of all the companies I'm applying to, except for Apple, they all say you must use this software product to edit and create your videos, and it's by Adobe. Well, number one, I don't like Adobe.
Neither does Apple.
And I use Final Cut Pro, and I use Logic Pro X, and I use all the Final Cut Pro products because I prefer that over the Adobe products. And I have my reasons, and whatever. That's what I use. So, because I don't use Adobe, I'm weeded out by over 99% of the companies out there because their number one requirement is you must use Adobe. Now, who made that requirement? I'm serious. Who makes a requirement to tell me, as an artist, what tool I must use to create my art? It seems kind of ridiculous. Do you tell the person what car to drive to? That seems a little bit controlling. Now, you say, well, that's because all of our stuff before was decided the guy before you. And we did all of our stuff on Adobe Premiere, and we used After Effects. And that's what we like to use, and that's what we've been using. That's what all our guys use. And that's what we've been doing. Okay, but what if the guy before me was an absolute moron? And that's why he's not there anymore. Now, I still have to use the absolute moron's product and his whole framework? Well, you see where I'm going with this. I'm telling you right now, the M1 chip is out. It works exclusively with Final Cut Pro. It's designed for Final Cut Pro. Intel-based chips work with Adobe Premiere. You guys use what you want to use. But I'll tell you what, I'm not going to stop making my art. I'll get on a plane. I'll sponsor my own videos. I'll do my own stuff. I'll make my own reporting if the New York Times doesn't want to hire me because I don't use Adobe Premiere.